Hi, parents does not discuss sex with the children. Children does not want to ask any question to the parent. There's always that line drawn between the two generations. In the East, children learn about sex through their peers or through the movies or through the books or through the abusers. Majority of the abuses are not disclosed because of the social stigma. In the East, the teens, whether it's a boy or a girl, they do not have much of a privacy. They are economically poor, they live in small houses, they do not have a separate room for themselves, but the urge or the feeling is the same. They somehow manage it to satiate them, maybe in the bathroom or whenever they get an opportunity of a privacy to be on their own. In the West, it is different. Children are exposed to many sexual issues. The parental love and affection shown openly, which is not in the East. It's all done hush hush behind the closed doors. In the West, children understand and they are more affluent compared to the children of East. There is money available. So they manage to know, experiment and these things leads to a lot of problems for the parents and to the society. So when we come back to understand this issue, what is the remedy? In the East, the teens should be taught about the whole scenario of what is sex, what is coitus, what is the repercussions of unprotected sex and multiple partner system and so on and so forth, so that they are given a guard to protect themselves from these issues. In the West, the teens should be told to practice the denial method. What is denial method? When they are in the peak of their sexual urges between the age of 13 and 19, they wouldn't listen to anybody. Only by inculcating and making them understand in their curriculum of the do's and don'ts, which may not appeal to them, but it has to be put in a sugar coated way to make them understand the negativity of the whole issue. By training their mind, they may be able to understand and control their feelings For everything there is a time, and you should be able to enjoy the same at the right age. In the East, in the poorer countries, it's said marriage age is 18 for the girl and for the boy 21. Maybe a slogan like that. Children may understand and improve themselves. It is the total dedicated efforts of the parents at the grassroots level, school, then the society as a whole should inculcate this kind of a training in making them understand. By denying at the young age, they should be able to enjoy the same sex at their adulthood, so that they will lead a happy and prosperous life in times to come.